That's not good.
Hazel! Hazel! Is it Hazel?
You get this? Okay. Yeah, I know. Well, what we've got here is yet another event, an extreme weather event coming on the back of climate change that our community is dealing with. It's about the fourth or fifth major event in the last couple of years. Right now around Byron we've got some severe weather, massive swells. We're watching our beach disappear. And we're hoping, I guess, that we get some action both in the short to immediate term for these premises, but also from our government to make sure that we're looked after into the future.